Hi guys, you are watching TechBros English. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up your Wi-Fi password in your Samsung Galaxy mobiles. Guys, I am doing this method in my Samsung Galaxy M31s mobile, but you can set up your Wi-Fi password in other Samsung mobiles also. So first of all, open your setting. Now open connections. Now here you see mobile hotspot and tethering. Open this. Now press mobile hotspot. Here you see your Wi-Fi name is Galaxy M31s, and now here you see your password. So you can change your hotspot Wi-Fi name. You can change your password also. And you see now your Wi-Fi name is changed into TechBros English, and now your password is my Samsung. So guys, with the help of this method you can also change your Wi-Fi hotspot and password in other Samsung mobiles. Guys, if you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.